In today's digital world, tiny squares are ubiquitous, making our lives easier in countless ways. Today, we're diving into the science of QR codes, those small black and white grids you see everywhere. QR codes, short for quick response codes, are found on product packaging, billboards, and even your coffee shop's menu. They're used for making payments, sharing contact information, and so much more.
Creating your own QR code is simple. Just visit a QR code generator like eTools Buddy QR Generator and input your information. You can customize your QR code in many ways, including adding your company logo. The tool also offers customization, save, and reuse functions linked to your free account, making it easy to create a QR code for your restaurant, business card, contact information, and more. But how do they work? QR codes store information in a grid of tiny squares. When your phone's camera scans the code, it reads the pattern of black and white squares, which represent binary data. Thanks to error correction, QR codes can be read even if they're dirty or damaged. This resilience makes them incredibly reliable. While QR codes are convenient, it's important to scan them safely. Always ensure you're scanning codes from trusted sources to protect your data. QR codes connect us to the world in an instant, making life simpler and smarter. That's the power of these pixelated portals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up for more exciting content.